It has finally transpired. The price of Shiba Inu has recovered most of its losses from the last crash and is now rising. The Shiba Inu group is rejoicing, but the token won't open for some reason. A blockage of almost 515 trillion Shiba Inu tokens is keeping the price from rising. Nevertheless, today, something much more significant transpired. The long-awaited period has finally arrived, and everyone is flooding in. Is this the turning point that forces Shiba Inu to be one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies? Can you tell me what's going on? Permit me to elaborate. Important notice. No financial advice is being offered by this video. It is merely for informative reasons. You should always do your homework before putting your money into the crypto market because it is still very unpredictable. The community of Shiba Inus has been waiting for today. The price is beginning to show signs of life after what seemed like an interminable string of red days. The community as a whole is practically breathing a sigh of relief. Although the percentage rise may not appear significant, it represents a critical shift when we consider the challenging market conditions we encountered in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu has surged. After a long period of steadily declining prices, the market is showing signs of life. Thank you for hanging on to your investments through all the ups and downs. The best part is about to come. Shiba Inu is gradually recouping its losses, as can be seen by stepping back and examining the weekly chart. Investors have been waiting for this trend change, even if it's still down from its all-time high. After a long hiatus, the long-awaited gradual but steady recovery has begun. The market appears to be entering a more robust and optimistic phase. Nevertheless, a significant challenge remains. Analysts are predicting that the Shiba Inu price will encounter one of the most formidable resistance levels seen in the market recently. There is a huge barrier to entry, with more than 515 trillion tokens sitting at a critical price point. As a result, overcoming this obstacle will not be a picnic. The problem arises when a large number of holders are still losing money after purchasing at higher prices. The goal of these investors is to either break even or make a tiny profit when the price goes up. Shiba Inu is finding it challenging to climb higher due to this selling pressure. This is a pivotal arena for the price action of Shiba Inu, as there are now around 75000 addresses that possess these 515 trillion tokens. The process is as follows. One way to classify wallets is by the profitability of their present holdings. They stand to gain financially if the current price ends up being greater than what they initially paid. If it's lower, they'll probably sell when the price goes up since they're out of money. The resistance is substantial since a large number of holders are positioned at this level. But if Shiba Inu can overcome this enormous obstacle, things might become interesting. However, this price change might be more than meets the eye. The Shiba Inu, according to some experts, is getting ready for a huge price surge, when the warning signals becoming increasingly apparent. The price of Shiba Inus has been steadily declining over the last several weeks, with a particularly precipitous decline in the last month. But the Shiba Inu is trading within an important range right now, and it's still a long way off from its fabled all-time high from 2021. Some experts are calling for a resurgence because of that massive disparity, and they think it's on the horizon. Shiba Inu has a lot of promise, according to one famous analyst, Raven Cartel. Their findings suggest that Shiba Inu may soon start making more noise after remaining mostly silent during the previous meme coin rise. If past events are any indication, Shiba Inu may be the focal point of the next meme coin cycle. Huckman Talk, yet another expert, has seen an upward channel form on the price chart of Shiba Inu. Assuming support levels remain unchanged, this formation usually indicates that the uptrend will continue. Buyers and sellers are getting more aggressive, but another fall might happen if support breaks. Jovan Marks, on the other hand, has produced the most daring forecast to this point. He thinks Shiba Inu has emerged from a falling wedge pattern, which frequently results in sudden price increases. Shiba Inu's value could surge to new heights if his research pans out. It's certainly within the realm of possibility. But why is there this sudden uptick in optimism? The Shiba Inu isn't the only one acting out. Similarly, Bitcoin is soaring. Some market watchers think a breakthrough surge may be imminent now that Bitcoin has surpassed critical resistance level. Breaking past the next level of resistance might propel Bitcoin into six-figure territory, with 100,000 and beyond being possible outcomes. This is the most important thing to remember. All markets react in lockstep with Bitcoin's price fluctuations. Shiba Inu and similar altcoins might experience tremendous price appreciation if Bitcoin's recent upswing persists. Hold just a second, there's a far larger element involved. The number of Bitcoin apps downloaded in the UAE has reportedly increased dramatically. The number of crypto apps downloaded in the region has more than doubled from last year, according to Apps Flyer, indicating an explosion in usage. The last several months have seen an exceptionally robust surge surpassing all previous records. Why is this happening? The results of the U.S. presidential election, according to analysts, are one of the main causes. Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance, according to market experts, has prompted more people to join the market, which has resulted in a rise in crypto adoption. Keeping users engaged is still a struggle, even when downloads are at an all-time high. More than 50% of the traffic originates from pay promotions, which is a direct result of the aggressive marketing activities that have contributed to this rise. Whether these new investors remain for the long haul is the true litmus test. However, the reason this is revolutionary for Shiba Inus is as follows. Shiba Inus have developed deep ties to the United Arab Emirates, as you may have noticed from our earlier movies. This could be the tipping point that propels Shiba Inu to new heights, given the region's rising crypto acceptance. There is no ordinary market like the UAE. It is home to some of the world's wealthiest and most powerful financial institutions. The nation has been making strides to become the world's leading cryptocurrency and blockchain adopter. Shiba Inu may soon attract institutional investors and high-net-worth individuals as a result of crypto-friendly legislation and an influx of new investors. There may be a huge rally in the works if this situation is just right. As the industry welcomes millions of new customers, Shiba Inu's chances of becoming famous have never been stronger. Plus, Shiba Inu has practical uses, is always being improved, and has a growing ecosystem, unlike other cruel coins. This isn't empty rhetoric. Shiba Inus are entering a golden age. Things become considerably more intriguing from this point on. There are many who think Shiba Inu can become one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin are the 3 most valuable cryptocurrencies by market cap, which is currently in the hundreds of billions. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu is less than $10 billion. Shiba Inu's market cap would have to surge beyond 160 billion to put it in the top 3, which would need an increase of more than 1,000%. While this may seem excessive now, it could become the norm once the cryptocurrency season begins and major financial institutions get involved. It's possible that this objective is more attainable than it appears. It may already be altcoin season, according to a prominent crypto analyst. Investors that have stablecoins are increasingly investing their money into altcoins rather than the other way around. This might be the beginning of a huge change, since altcoins now have more trading volume than Bitcoin. By the way, did you know? Exactly in the center of it all is Shiba Inu. The ecosystem is developing, the community is huge, and institutional interest is on the rise. It is possible that Shiba Inu is about to make its most significant move to date. However, your opinion matters. Is Shiba Inu going to be one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies after all this time? Post your opinions down here in order to ensure that you never miss a crucial update on Shiba Inus. Subscribe and enable notifications if you liked this video. Looking forward to seeing you in the post video.